Hi guys, today's a really exciting day for us because we get to lay some vinyl flooring and start finishing off the boat. So there we go, we've got 13 packs of this vinyl, what's it called? It's called SPC Luxury Vinyl Flooring. I picked this stuff up because it's basically plastic. It does say it's eco-friendly, which is pretty cool. It is waterproof. They're the two things that I'm really interested about. It's also got 20 years guarantee somewhere. Anyway, we've got 13 packs of this stuff to lay. I got it from a shop that I'll list in the description. Amazing deal on this stuff at the moment, and it's going to be a lot harder wearing than traditional laminate flooring and things like that. So I've already started here, look. It's very, very thin stuff, and it comes with a backing on, so you don't need a lino or underlay, I should say, but it's really, really hard, so I shouldn't get too much damage going from the canal path onto the flooring. Also, with it coming straight into the kitchen, I wanted something really hard for the dog to run down the stairs, and hopefully doesn't scratch it as well. So there we got the first little bit laid. We're just doing some cuts, dead easy to cut. I'll show you how that happens, and hopefully we get at least this section done tonight, and after then do the rest of the boat, which is looking a bit of a mess at the moment, but this is part of the step to make it look finished again. So there we have that piece in. Just got to tap that down because it's actually moved there. Okay, so just mark up the edges. I use a straight edge, mark up 4 inches, and then score it with a Stanley blade, which I've already done. And then, basically all you need to do is snap it. And that's the sort of cut you get. Perfect. That wasn't actually that easy. I thought it would be easier just to slide it down, but it isn't actually. But then this lip, if you do it like I've just done it, I think it's probably best to do it in sequence. So that one and then this one. But if you have done what I've done, this lip will be raised. So you just put a bit of wood on the edge, give it a bit of a tap. You can actually be really quite aggressive with it, and perfect. If you hit this with that as well, it won't really make any difference. It's really hard stuff, really hard. So I've got a cut there to do before I move on, really. Right, so the next day I'm all done apart from some trims and the kickboards around the kitchen, so that's the next thing that I'm going to tackle right now and hopefully get that all done. Nice little beta going past at the moment. Yeah, so let's show you what I've done so far. So all of the floor has been done throughout. We've still got quite a bit to do in the bathroom, but as you can see, the flooring has been done. All the way down the corridor. It stopped at that room because that's going to have carpet in. And as you can see, my messy boat at the moment, because obviously it's going to be like this until we've completely sorted it out. But we've got the kickboards to do down here, and some end panels, just the filler panels in each side of the kitchen to finish that off, and pretty much done. So let's crack on. So as you can see, I've completed the floor and it's looking alright. I've just got to do the trims and everything else, but it's certainly getting there. And I've just oiled the worktops. I've put all the kickboards in. So there you go. That's what it was looking like. Lots and lots more to do, but it is slowly getting there. So I hope you like what I've done so far. I think it's slowly getting there. So that's the end of this video. So please like, share and subscribe. And my next video, I'm going to start breaking down what it's cost me so far to do the whole of this build so far. I've obviously got quite a bit more to do, but I will give you the breakdown of what it's cost me so far. So bye for now.